Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Member. Sorry, I looked where Honourable Samisoni was sitting. Sort of moved to the third row. Sorry. Madam Speaker, the Fiji Higher Education Commission assures us that the courses delivered by the technical colleges are accredited as national qualifications on the Fiji qualifications framework. These courses are internationally recognized. Now I'll come to the point, there's recognition and there's accreditation. They're two separate things. Mr. Speaker, the Technical College of Fiji currently offers the following 13 national qualifications. 1, the National Certificate in Automotive Mechanical Engineering, Level 2. National Certificate in Automotive Electrical Engineering, Level 2. National Certificate in Welding and Fabrication, Level 2. National Certificate in Body Works and Spray Painting, Level 2. National Certificate in Electrical Fitter Mechanic, Level 2. National Certificate in Refrigeration, Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning, Level 2. National Certificate in Carpentry, Level 2. National Certificate in Cabinet Making and Joinery, Level 2. National Certificate in Plumbing and Sheet Metal Works, Level 2. National Certificate in Painting and Decoration, Level 2. National Certificate in Cookery, Level 2. National Certificate in Baking and Patisserie, Level 2. National Certificate in Agriculture, Level 2. Madam Speaker, due to demand for more trade qualifications, 3 new national qualifications will be offered for trimester 2 this year. They are as follows: National Certificate in Tiling, Level 2. National Certificate in Block Laying, Level 2. National Certificate in Plastering, Level 2. As we know, we've said in this Parliament on a number of occasions, there's now a shortage of people, tradespeople in this area. In line, of course, Madam Speaker, with Sustainable Development Goal 7 on affordable and clean energy and Sustainable Development Goal 13 on climate change, the Technical College of Fiji will be offering the following national qualifications for trimester 2 this year. 1 is the National Certificate in Sustainable Energy, Level 2. And secondly, National Certificate in Resilience, Climate Change and Adaptation, Disaster Risk Reduction, Level 2. Madam Speaker, the national qualifications offered by the Technical College of Fiji have international recognition across different countries that have the same qualification framework, levels 1 to 10. They are not internationally accredited, as accreditation is done by the country that owns them. Different countries have different sets of accreditation. In our case, the Fiji Higher Education Commission has accredited these qualifications. In the same way, Madam Speaker, you may have a lawyer that may be qualified in Fiji and can practice in Fiji, but when they go to New Zealand, they have to do certain additional courses to be able to get admitted to the bar there. Similarly, we, for example, require, for medicinal purposes, when doctors come to Fiji, or dentists, if they come from countries that do not necessarily meet all the qualifications or do not have the accreditation capacity, then our local regulatory bodies will require them to do additional things, or they need to present various qualifications for them to get accreditation. So recognition and accreditation are two separate issues. So, Madam Speaker, I'd also like to take this opportunity to say that, as you know, that we've recently had the Commonwealth Education Ministers meeting, and the Cabinet also approved for us to join COL, which is the Commonwealth Open Learning Organization, which carries out life learning experiences. And we've asked them, together with the Australians too, we've reached out to them, to do an assessment of our technical colleges, to do a gap analysis, because we need to constantly monitor any institution we set up. So we've asked them, in fact, I also raised it with the Minister from Australia who was here, and also with the lady who heads the COL, which is the Commonwealth Open Learning Organization, to do an assessment. And we hope to have some people down on the ground, at least within a month, to carry out an assessment in terms of whether technical colleges are actually doing what they're supposed to be doing, what are the areas of gap that we need to identify, and indeed going forward, what are the further areas that we can put up as courses and indeed get further recognition and hopefully further accreditation too. Thank you.
Honourable Rande.
Supplementary question, Madam Speaker.
Supplementary question.
Madam Speaker, the accreditation process is a very expensive exercise. I'm asking the Minister whether they're going to provide the budgetary allocation, and also looking at the staff, because it's a professional institute, to conduct accreditation so that they can be recognized internationally. Thank you.
Honorable Minister.
Madam Speaker, as explained, there are obviously accreditation by your national body, in our case, which is the Fiji Higher Education Commission, that actually has accredited these as national qualifications. So we have accreditation at the national level. We have recognition at the international level, so I do not know which accreditation the Honourable Member is speaking about. If the Honourable Member is speaking about accreditation overseas, there are different countries with different accreditation requirements. So why should we, for example, spend all our money getting accreditation for which countries? Our national accreditation is already there. The Fiji Higher Education has accredited national qualification, the Fiji Qualification Framework. Yes. And Madam Speaker, I'm basically telling this Honourable Parliament what I have been informed by the Fiji Higher Education Commission. I've read out the list of the 13 national qualifications that has been offered by the technical colleges that have been accredited. That's the point. And as I've said, Honourable Member, like you, we obviously want to ensure that all the institutions we do set up, in particular in an area such as this, that we need to constantly monitor and ensure that we have the best practices in place. And should there be any gaps, and I'm sure there's always been gaps, there will always be gaps, should there be any gaps, let's carry out an independent professional assessment as opposed to an assessment by individual members of this Parliament. So we need to carry out assessments by internationally accredited people who can come and do the analysis, do the gap analysis, and then of course we want it done soon because we'll factor any additional requirements that require any budgetary implications to be put into place in the 2018-2019 budget, which we hope to present in the early part of June of this year. Thank you.